In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Sheets to your desktop. By the end, you'll have a quick launch app on your computer that opens your sheet in a clean, focused window, just like a regular desktop program. First, make sure you've already opened the Google Sheet you want to access quickly. This works best in modern browsers like Chrome or Edge. With the sheet open, look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main browser menu that controls tools, settings, and page options. If you don't see it, try maximizing your window or ensuring your browser is up to date. With the menu open, move your cursor down and hover over the section that includes Cast, Save and Share, or a similarly named group of options. Depending on your browser version, these items may be grouped slightly differently, but you're looking for the area that handles saving or sharing the current page. Hovering there will reveal more controls specific to the page you're on. Next, select Install Page as App. This tells your browser to create a standalone app experience for the current Google Sheets page. You'll get a small pop-up preview showing the app icon and name. This option creates a desktop and app launcher shortcut and opens the sheet in a window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, which keeps you focused. When prompted to name the app, rename it to Google Sheet, or choose a label that makes sense to you, like the project or team name. Clear naming helps you find it quickly later, especially if you plan to create shortcuts for multiple sheets. You can always change this name later from your system's app management if needed. Finally, click Install. Your computer will create the shortcut and usually launch the new app window immediately. You should also see an icon added to your desktop and your applications list. On Windows, you can right-click the icon to pin it to the taskbar or Start for even faster access. On macOS, drag the app Windows icon to the dock while it's open to keep it handy. If you don't see the Install Page as App option, make sure you're on the actual Google Sheet page, not a list view, and that your browser is updated. Some enterprise settings may limit installation, in which case check with your administrator. Otherwise, you're all set. Double-click the new desktop icon anytime to jump straight into your sheet, distraction-free.